Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wait, what your eyes staring at in the night sky? A moon and twinkly dots? Yep, they are called astronomical objects. Hey, what it mean? Astronomical object is naturally occurring physical entity or structure that exists in the observable universe. Examples of it include planetary system, nebulae, stars clusters, and galaxies, while moon, stars, and planets are astronomical bodies. So, what's the difference between stars and other astronomical bodies? Yeah, stars are astronomical bodies that can produce light because of the high temperature. Stars are composed of hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen is a chemical element that colorless and highly flammable gas, while helium is a chemical element that colorless, non-bodied, and tasteless. Both of them are gases that are numerous in the universe. Next, accordingly, astronomers often group stars by their mass. First, very low mass stars, with masses below 0.5 solar mass. Second, low mass stars, with masses between 0.5 to 2.5 solar mass. Third, intermediate mass stars, with masses between 2.5 to 10 solar mass. And the last one, massive stars, generally have a minimum mass of 10 solar mass. And what about the life cycle of star? Protostar is what you have before a star forms that has collapsed down from a giant molecular cloud and becomes supergiant stars. After exhausting, the hydrogen becomes supergiant and go on to fuse elements heavier than helium. And then they end their lives when their core collapses and explode as supernova. Okay, next, previously we learned that the color of star is white. But in addition, the white star become to different colors such as red, white, blue, and yellow. So, how do the stars get their colors? Well, the color of star depends on the temperature of the surface. First, the red star. It has a surface temperature of about 3,500 Kelvin. The example of red star is Phi Canis Majoris. Second, the yellow star. It has a surface temperature of about 6,000 Kelvin, and the example of yellow star is the Sun, the nearest star from the Earth. Third, the white star. It has a surface temperature of about 8,000 Kelvin, and the example of white star is Sirius A. And the last one, the blue star. It has a temperature surface of about 10,000 to 40,000 Kelvin. And the example of the blue star is Rigel. So, the red star cooler than the yellow cooler than the white star cooler than the blue star, and the blue one is the hottest star in the universe. Now, let's see the following diagram about star size. Most stars follow this very neat pattern, with the blue hot star is being bigger and the red cool star is being smaller. Okay, now I wanna tell you a unique fact about the light of star and our eyes. Why, if we look at the night sky, the star appear to be white? The reason of this question is because of our eyes. Our eyes have two sensors that help us to see. We had cone cells and rod cells. The cone cells help us to see the color, and then rod cells help us to see the shades of gray and motion. At the night time, our eyes rely on the rod cells because there is not enough light to stimulate the cone cells. So, when we look at the star, we can look their color, but we can only look their brightness. This is why the star just appear to be white in the night sky. Okay, today we learned about the stars with their mass, color, size, life cycle, and other information. I hope this video can help you in the astronomy, especially about the stars so well. Because understanding of them physically was a major step in astronomy to understand much more. Thanks a lot for click and watch this video. Bye!